Good afternoon. It was a trial that gained national attention. Convicted serial killer Anthony Kirkland back in court today for a chance at a sentence other than the death penalty. The judge didn't rule today, but two major things did change. Not on Your Side's Kristen Swilley was in court and joins us now with what will be different this time. Kristen?
The prosecuting attorney in this case wants to make sure there are no more delays in closure for the families of the victims of Anthony Kirkland. He called the man originally sentenced to death in 2010 evil. Anthony Kirkland was back in court this morning in a room and before a judge he knows well.
Records reflect that Mr. Kirkland is present.
It was here Judge Charles Kubicki sentenced him to death, these lawyers by his side in 2010. But with the possibility of a new sentence granted by the Ohio Supreme Court, those two things will be different this time around. Kirkland's lawyer is withdrawing himself from the case.
I currently have a number of death penalty capital cases that are in progress. I would not be able to devote the time that is needed to this case.
And the prosecution, looking to avoid any appearance of bias that may lead to an appeal, asked Judge Kubicki recuse himself.
And just since he previously sentenced him to death, we know on appeal someone would say, well, how could he be fair? He's already sentenced him to death.
Now, in many ways, this will be another case of deja vu. The prosecution will have to present the entire case to a new jury. They'll then weigh that against Kirkland's attorney's arguments and decide if the convicted serial killer will be sentenced to death once again.
If he doesn't get it, it's one of those cases where you can honestly say then there probably shouldn't be a death penalty.
Deciding a new judge, it's now in the hands of the assignment commissioner. He will use a randomized system to replace Kubicki. Reporting at the Hamilton County Courthouse, Kristen Swilley, 9 on Your Side.